Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the CSS combinators. So first I'm taking some div and p tag and taking some p tags here. I'm just copying it and paste it several times. And I'm pasting it one here after the div. So I'm gonna style it here now. I'm taking the div and giving this sign and p tag and giving background. Look, the every p tag in this div is colored orange, but this p tag is uncolored because this is the out tag of this div. So if you just make it plus sign like this, you can see the three of these are uncolored and this is the orange color. This is the work of this plus sign. You can use it this sign before the key 1, the number key of 1. This is the sign. I don't know this sign's name, so this is the same work. You can use it plus or this sign, it will do the same work. So this is the combinators of CSS. So we'll continue in the next video. Thank you.